We're also out of balance. So all of the cosmos and all of our species has long been on a binary balance. So day and night, high tide, low tide, seasons, off and on. But we've become, starting with electrification, and certainly through the internet and social media, on all the time. Is your phone in the bedroom? Do you check it in the middle of the night? Are you always on? Our disrupted sleep cycles are these are not optimizing our cognitive performance. That's why we have higher rates of burnout. So Sven Hansen from the Resilience Institute says there are 5 basic ways to rebuild resilience, and it starts with sleep. Get your phone out of the bedroom. I know I gotta take that advice myself. Try to prioritize get in bed so you can get 7 or 8 hours of sleep. It increases your ability to be empathetic. It increases your ability to make good ethical decisions. Those 2 things are going to be incredibly important when we hand off more to technology. Fulfillment. How many times do you get to the end of the day and you say, I didn't have lunch, I didn't have time to go to the bathroom, I barely sat down, or I sat down the whole day, whatever it goes, I don't even know what I did today. We don't have the feeling of a rich, fulfilling project. He says we need about 90 minutes a day where we have an aspiration and attainment. We're on some sort of cycle where the big project that we feel like we're uniquely connected to, it's self-expression. Bounce. That's not bounce back, it's bounce forward. It's kintsugi. It's overcoming adversity and becoming a new version of yourself. It's learning from those moments. The more you do it, the better you get at it, the better confidence you have. Relaxation. We think of that as, oh, I'll go to the spa next weekend, or I'll go to the spa after this conference is over. We need relaxation every day to calm our brain. It can be prayer, it could be meditation, it could be going for a walk. It's just shutting your brain off from constant thoughts for 5 to 7 minutes a day. And then it's focus. Focus is a practice. Running, weightlifting, all of those things are practices. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Teenagers, they are switching focus every 19 seconds. That's terrifying. I'm at least at 25 seconds.